Yo, what is up with y'all? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Juice WRLD. Alright, look. It's not the melody one, it's the hard Juice WRLD, okay? So bear with me. I didn't do the melody type shit, okay? So, yeah, hope y'all like it. This is what it should sound like, yeah.
She was off the molly. I was at the motherfucking party trying to kick it with my bros. But little baby calling on my phone like she can't hold her own. And I'm done with toxic shit, I swear I wanna be alone. Hey, I don't need a motherfucking hand. Need another round before my time comes to an end. Need a fucking blunt to stop these voices in my head. I need all the money, I need all the fucking bread. Yeah. Oh, that little bitch a monster. Oh, that little bitch a monster. Whoa, that little bitch a monster. Whoa, that little bitch a monster. 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 The way that she poppin' Molly. That little bitch a monster. That little bitch a monster. That little bitch a monster. The way that she poppin' Molly. That little bitch a monster. That little bitch a monster. That little bitch a monster. The way that she poppin' Molly. That little bitch a monster. That little bitch a monster. That little bitch a monster. The way that she poppin' Molly.
Yeah. Boy. Juice WRLD, yeah. That little bitch a monster. The way that she poppin' Molly. But yeah, alright. That's what it is. So I'm gonna have that shit in the description, you feel me? So make sure to like and subscribe and comment what you think. So hope y'all like the video, and I'm out.